Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I am on a mission this year to find mascaras because I cannot apply false eyelashes no matter how many YouTube tutorials I watch. It's just not happening. So we are going to together discover some drugstore brands, some prestige brands, some oldies, some new things to see what's out there that can give us that false eyelash look without ever having to worry about the glue situation. And today we are starting off with a totally rando find. I was with my boyfriend, he was going grocery shopping. The store had this massive table of clearance items, and on top of it were 3 baskets filled with makeup. And I started digging, and I found something. I found this from Wet n Wild. Now, I only paid $2.50 for this stuff, but look at the claims. Like, that's legit promises for this mascara to deliver. And the wand itself is plastic. And you can see, like, there is the, like, purple, I don't know, component to this that allegedly is supposed to get you that cat eye look. I had never even heard of this mascara before. I certainly had never seen it. So I went on to the Wet n Wild website to see, like, what is it, on clearance or something? And it's not, but it only has one sad little review, and the girl hated it. She said it was gummy. It was just really, really bad. So we're gonna see how this works. Zooming in super close to show you the application. I have to tilt my head back like that because of my eyes being so hooded. If I don't, when I apply mascara, it gets everywhere. But this brush was so good. Like, you can feel it actually separating each lash and coating it with mascara. It feels good. Like, that sounds weird to say, but it feels really good. And it went on beautifully, and I was actually really impressed because this is one dip of the wand into the tube, and that's what I got. See on my left eye there? Look at that from the side. That's insane. This mascara was $2.50. So from there, I wanted to apply a second coat to see what would happen, and the second coat went on fine. You'll see, like, there's no clumping. You know, my lashes aren't starting to, you know, junk together. It's not getting spider webby. And after 2 coats, here's what I had on both eyes. And oh my gosh, like, I was loving this. There was no transfer. Okay, I'm doing my first check-in. It's about 2 hours since I applied this mascara, and look at that, no transfer. So far, that's good. Here's the other thing too. So after I filmed the initial application, which was 2 coats, as I was putting on the rest of my face, you know, I'd apply blush and then put another layer of mascara on, and then do some other things and put another layer of mascara on, and it never once started to clump or do anything weird. Like, it just layered so beautifully. And let's see if I can show you. Like, it also dried. So that comment that I read on the Wet n Wild website about it not drying, I'm not sure what was happening there, but for me so far, we're doing good. Now, just to give you a little bit of background, there are a couple things I always want my mascara to do. Most importantly, I don't want it to transfer here in my crease. I have hooded eyes, so that tends to be a problem. And I do not like it when I apply mascara and within a couple hours, I'm seeing black right there. And I don't like waterproof mascaras because the formula to me is just such a pain in the ass to take off at the end of the day. So I want it to be just a regular formula. The other thing is I want it to be able to layer well. So when I want to get that really voluminous lash look, I typically have to put on, you know, like 2, 3, 4 coats. And, you know, some mascaras, you start to use them and you can tell that sucker is starting to misbehave after like 2 layers. It's starting to clump. You're starting to get like spider webby things, and I just, no bueno. Okay, so I'm gonna call it because this mascara has been on now for 6 hours, and if it was gonna do something, you know, catastrophic, it would have done it by now, and it has not done anything that I don't want it to do. It's been beautiful. I cannot believe I only paid $2.50 for this. I'd totally pay, what, retail, $5 for this mascara? Are you kidding me? Like, look at that. No transfer, no smudging, nothing. Wet n Wild, what is going on with this mascara? Why have I not seen it anywhere? I saw a couple reviews online on YouTube. I guess it came out in like 2016. Never seen it before. But in any event, this one definitely gets the thumbs up from me. If you can find it, go out and grab it. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!